Okay, today's topic is coin questions. If Julio had 10, 20 and change in his pocket and had twice as many quarters as dimes and 6 less nickels and quarters, how many of each does he have? Well, we set up charts. I forgot to hit record. Set up charts. Quarters, dimes, nickels. The first line is called value. 25, 10, 5 because of their worth. How many is like our let X stuff. So dimes is how many we have and twice as many quarters. And then we take away 6 nickels. And then we have a total value line, which we multiply our value in how many. The 50x, 10, 5 times 2 minus 6. If there's distribution, like right here, you have to write it like that because too many people make mistakes. And our grand total box at the end, what does it all equal to? 10, 20. So we make our equation. Distribute then. Add the 30 over, divide, do the check. And our sentence, yes, 15 dimes, 30 quarters, and 24 nickels. That was fast. The next one, Sally mows makes $6 for mowing small lawns and $11.50 for big ones. She mowed 3 times as many small lawns as big and made $472. On this one, we decided not to go cents, just to go dollars. So small and large, the value is $6 and $11.50. X was the large, 3 times as many for small. Again, times to get our total value and our grand total box. And again, the total value equation makes the total value line makes the equation. Add it to equal our grand total. Put our 2 terms together, divide, and get our number. Then check, and then if we get stuck, just put the 16 back into the box and how many. Know how many of each, which was 16 large and 48 small. And the last one. Bob has 80 coins in his pocket that are nickels and dimes. The total value is $5.50. How many of each coin does he have? This is a bit harder. But it starts the same. What are the coins that we're working with? Nickels and dimes. All right. Yep. The first line is usually pretty good because on the first line we put value, absolutely. What's the value of our nickels there, Sally?
5.
And dimes? Yeah. Now the how many, a little trickier. Although we do have a little experience with this. Because how many coins do we have? Yeah. Yeah. So that's 100% right. So what do we put in for how many nickels or dimes we have? That's exactly right. Which one do you want to pick? Other Sally. Okay. But that's absolutely right. One's that. We did this the other day, this idea. But that's exactly right. We have a total of 80. The one's X, particularly X for the other. 100% right. And again, total value. Then we just do what's it with our numbers? There. Yeah, Barry?
The 5x.
Yep.
And 10 bracket 80.
Yes, we have to distribute that. And we can't forget about our grand total box. Because that's what it's going to equal to. What is our grand total on this thing? So it looks like it's going to be cents. So we have to switch that to 550. So it's cents, cents, and cents again. No decimals on this one. If you want to make it with decimals, I guess you can, but I don't know. Seems like it makes it harder. Okay, I need an equation. Front row, Barry, what would our equation be?
5x plus 10x.
Plus 10 what?
Oh, wait. 10 times 80.
There we go. Equals 550. And then what do we have to do in the next step? Yep. And? Careful. Good. That's super important, the way this question works out. We have to really, really watch our signs. Because on the next step, what's 5x minus 10x? Yeah. Minus 5x plus 800 equals 550. But we still have to get that variable by itself. So we have to do minus 800. And be careful with our signs again because it's 550 minus 800. So our number will be close. 250, yeah. You just forgot your board. And then get that x by itself.
Divide by 5.
Nope. Negative 5. Yep, got to be careful. I'm being very a stickler with that because it has to be negative. Wait a minute. I'm dividing by a negative by a negative. Positive. Positive 50. Perfect. So as long as we watch our signs, it works out. And if you would have set the other one to x, you just would have got the other answer. And it would have been fine. Check. I don't know. Let me pick for the check. This one. I'll have to go back to the king to finish it off.
5 times 50 plus 10 times 80 minus 50.
Yes.
Equals 5.
Yes.
And that'll be 250,
Yep. Again, like I said, what's 80 minus 50?
30,
Yeah, just sneak that up above there, and then,
plus 10 times 50.
which is,
300.
so you're showing your work, but we're cutting stuff out. That's super okay, because now it's just, yeah, that check's done. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. But not quite done, right? Set the hand up, gray hat Barry. Okay, go for it.
You have 50 nickels. And that's 80 minus 50,
Yeah.
30 times.
Yep. Absolutely. Exclamation marks are optional. This last one I got excited. Questions on that one? Does that seem okay? Okay. Mrs. Sally, what was the assignment that I gave the other class?
It was page 48 in the new book, 46 in the old book, and
Okay.
it's 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, there we go.